Good evening. We are getting a glimpse tonight at how New Mexico may reopen its economy amid the coronavirus outbreak. But before that happens, Governor Lujan Grisham says you can expect to stay home through mid-May. News 13's Chris McKee is here to explain. Chris.
The governor said today the state's data on new infections is encouraging, showing that New Mexicans are indeed flattening the curve. But at the same time, that doesn't mean that New Mexico is going to immediately be reopening like life before COVID.
We are going to get through this, and we're going to go slow, productively, proactively, steady, and we are not going to be pressured by nuances in other states. We're going to focus on what's right for New Mexico, and because we do that, New Mexicans, we're going to get it right.
Now, a full month into the stay-at-home order, the state says it's putting together a working group of business leaders here to figure out how best to reopen businesses and what protections will need to be put in place. Now, when that starts, the governor didn't give a timeline today. Phase 1 of the plan calls for at-risk people to continue to stay at home, but also allows for some non-essential businesses to reopen.
We're going to ask businesses to help us do good public health practices, masks for employees, gloves for employees, temperature checks, surveillance testing of one kind or another. And if we do that together, and I know that we can and we will, then New Mexicans can expect relief.
Now, the governor did say that normalcy will not look like pre-COVID times either. Phase 2 of the economic reopening plan calls for more businesses to open up, but at large gatherings, those at parks and arenas, probably will not be a reality here in New Mexico or the rest of the U.S. anytime soon. Now, the governor says the focus continues to be on the northwest part of the state, McKinley County in particular. Their COVID-19 infection rate today is about 7 times higher than Bernalillo County's. Back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you. The state has expanded testing now to all essential workers with an emphasis now on grocery store workers. New Mexico's total confirmed cases are up to 2,210. Today, the governor announced 139 new cases and 6 new deaths. 5 more people have died in San Juan County, another in McKinley County. Northwest New Mexico saw another big spike in cases with 81 new cases combined in McKinley and San Juan counties. The virus has also been reported in a new living facility, Wellbrook Rehabilitation Center, that's in Farmington. 547 people have also recovered. 121 people are currently in the hospital. Of those, 31 are on ventilators.